Yeah.
If we did stay a third night, that would cost us $50. And we're getting $100 gambling.
No, $99. Third night is $100.
Yeah. So it'd be £50.
Yeah.
And we're getting $100 gambling, which is £50.
Yeah. I thought I was all ready not to.
Find a place where you see there are groups here. Welcome to Hoover Dam. This is the Nevada Wind Power Power Plant. We have 8 generators here on this side, and there are 9 more of these over on the Arizona Power Plant wing. So we have 17 generators here at Hoover Dam. Each one of our units is about 7 stories tall. Top 30 feet is the generator. That's the part you can see. And they extend another 40 feet down below floor level to the turbines. As the water goes through our Francis type turbines, we get 178,000 horsepower from each one. They transfer the energy up to the generator with a 65-foot long shaft that's 38 inches in diameter and weighs 130-foot pipe below us that's carrying water to 4 of our generators. Now, have to take a look now. Find a place here in the center where you can see these 2 diagrams.
Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men who performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a small chair. Thank you for visiting one of the top 10 construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you like. The next presentation on the Discovery Tour is located across the street at the flagpole. From here you can see Lake Mead behind the dam, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The cantilevered towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the walls and cause a short circuit.
That's where it's normally, yeah. back there.
I wonder if you actually jumped off, you'd slide down.
No.
Well, you would. I think you'd be dead by the time you hit that and then slide.
Yeah.
Well, you'd have serious burns on your ass.
It'd be a hell of a death slide, wouldn't it? If it actually swooped to the bottom.
Yeah.
A lovely bit of road.
There's the pulley system. So just stop here then, yeah?